Still, I am in mood of beautiful song.
There are more, sir. There are
Yeah.
more.
Please sit.
Professor Asham Sungo, Principal DDUC, Chairman of the program, Walnis Remboy. Short speech on behalf of the village delivered by the Sri Andu Sarai, Secretary Wajahar, other headman of the society, youth of the musical troupe, and the most important, who is your leader? I am the breeder, I am not the leader. Basically, I am a plant breeder, but Prasenjit is your leader. He already inspired all of you. Not only inspired all of you, still Prasenjit also feel inspired. Because he started his journey from the nervousness. He told in his deliberation, he started his journey from the nervousness. And today, he is also feeling very happy because in the end of this program, he achieved his goal. That is important. Another thing is, the program definitely was wonderful. All the even writers, speakers, singers performed in a very, even I can say, the inspiring manner, enthusiastic, and everyone feel very happy and ready to take the challenge to establish Nehu DDUC musical troupe in the form of startup. You have a very good manager. She is also the daughter of his soil, of Wajahar. I think within the year she is also going to retire. So she can even spend much more time for overall growth and development of this musical troupe. Definitely. And I hope Professor Sungo is already ready to taking this challenge. That's why she always ready to visit from Shillong to Wajahar campus, especially for the growth and development of youth belonging from this area, having the different kind of the talent. Music is the one. Another is the either mushroom or knitting of the clothes or preparing different kind of food or testing the blood of human beings. That's why she is conducting too many programs in the campus of Wajahar. And I hope the discussion and deliberation of the not only discussion, dedication. And she is fully dedicated how to develop the Vajahar campus. And hopefully in coming 1 year, we will be our even a small conference room. In the conference room, all of you are able to perform your skills in different ways. One more thing I would like to mention here. Do you know the real meaning of Prasenjit? The Prasan is a Hindi word, and the English of the Prasan is the happiness, and Jit to win. So Prasanjit is already happy. You can't even pronounce it or translate his name. Win with the happiness. And he is performing and performed. And in the Hindi sayings, Yatha Nabe Tatha Gure. Just like his name, accordingly he is performing in the field of music. And giving or developing a stage, especially for the young generation of this region. One more thing I would like to mention. Both of you are also have the capability to not speak only your mother tongue, that is Khasi or Garu or Jaintia. You are also able to perform your skill in national and international language. And national education policy always emphasizing this. If you want to perform your skill at regional level, definitely you can perform in your regional language. If you want to perform your skill at national level, you must know the national language. And if you want to perform your skill at international level, definitely you must know the international language. And you already perform all the 3 languages. And this kind of skill will be the boon for overall development of this band Nehu DDUC musical troupe. Whatever the help from the side of the Nehu is required, I am already ready to help all of you during my tenure, and also ready to convey your message. Whoever is going to join this university after my completion my tenure. But I can say, one day your musical brand will be a big brand name. I don't know. All of you that know the real meaning of the DDUC. The DD means Deen Dayal, poorest of the poor. And this man already sacrificed his life, especially for the overall development of the last line of the society, that is poorest of the poor. That's why everyone is recognizing the name of Deen Dayal. Deen Dayal is the name of Hindi. If you just can't even translate, poorest of the poor. This is the real meaning of this center. So with this, once again, I would like to request, kindly give a big applause to all the performers, and hope the one day will come. Definitely one day बिलकम एंड इन हिंदी सेइंग्स हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. One day will come and we will be the winner with this brand name. Thank you, Kublai, Shibun and Mitela. Thank you.